for another travel vlog adventure that's going to Pink Lake, commonly known as Hutt Lagoon. It is located 518 kilometers north of Perth or 5 hours to drive by road. The lake is located next to Port Gregory, a very small fishing town and about 30 minutes away from Calgary. And according to the Australian and Coral Coast website and information, the lake gets its pink hue when the presence of carotenoid-producing algae, Dunanella salina, which is a source of beta-carotene, food coloring, and great source of vitamin A. You also find out that the lake becomes more alive during a certain times of the day and different seasons. The best recommended time to go and view the lake between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. when the sun is at its highest and making the pink lake hue of the lake pop up even more. And also, different seasons might affect how clear you see the color pink of the lake. Summer is the best recommended season, although any seasons will do as long as you plan ahead and check the weather. Make sure it's not cloudy or windy and you'll have an absolutely amazing time. My own recommendation, this is a must-have a drone lake, as you really can't grasp the beauty of the lake on the ground. You must view it from the aerial footage above, and the beauty will truly blow your mind away. And the Hutt Lagoon is a must-go if you are traveling in Western Australia. Hi guys, I'm here now at the Pink Lake, and behind me, this is the beautiful Pink Lake.